Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cool gadgets that will blow your mind. From innovative tech to quirky tools, we've got some amazing finds to share with you. Stay tuned as we explore how these gadgets can make your life easier and more fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's get started.
Leather Repair Patch Adhesive Tape. The Leather Repair Patch. Adhesive tape is a quick and easy solution for fixing rips, tears, and scratches on leather and vinyl surfaces. Made from high-quality, durable leather material, this self-adhesive patch seamlessly blends with your furniture, car seats, jackets, or bags. Simply cut the patch to the desired size, peel off the backing, and stick it onto the damaged area for an instant fix. The strong adhesive ensures a secure bond that lasts, while the flexible material allows it to conform to various shapes and surfaces. Available in multiple colors, it matches most leather finishes, providing a professional-looking repair in minutes. Perfect for extending the life of your leather items without the need for expensive repairs.
Sewing machine. The Singer heavy-duty sewing machine is a powerful tool designed for both beginners and experienced sewers. With its robust metal frame and high-speed motor, this machine effortlessly handles thick fabrics like denim and leather. It offers 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative options, making it versatile for various sewing projects. The top drop-in bobbin system and automatic needle threader simplify setup, saving you time and frustration. Its extra-high sewing speed allows for quicker project completion, while the adjustable presser foot pressure ensures precision on different materials. Durable, reliable, and easy to use, the Singer heavy-duty sewing machine is perfect for all your sewing needs.
Flexzilla Garden Hose Pipe. The Flexzilla Garden Hose is a high-performance, flexible hose designed to make your gardening tasks easier. Made from a hybrid polymer material, it offers unmatched durability while remaining kink-free, even in extreme weather conditions. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. The hose is abrasion-resistant and features crush-resistant aluminum fittings for added longevity. With its superior flexibility, the Flexzilla Garden Hose lays flat and coils easily for hassle-free storage. The hose is also drinking water safe, making it ideal for all your outdoor watering needs. Whether you're watering plants or washing your car, this hose delivers consistent performance with every use.
Hardwood furniture, moving dolly. The hardwood furniture. Moving dolly is an essential tool for easy and efficient transport of heavy items. Built from durable hardwood, this dolly is designed to support and move furniture, appliances, and other bulky items with ease. The sturdy frame can handle loads of up to 1,000 pounds, making it ideal for both home and professional use. Non-marring rubber wheels glide smoothly across various surfaces without scratching floors. The compact design allows for easy storage when not in use, and the low-profile platform ensures stability during transport. Perfect for moving day or rearranging your space, this dolly makes heavy lifting a breeze.
LED fairy lights. LED fairy lights add a magical touch to any space, perfect for creating a cozy and enchanting atmosphere. These energy-efficient lights feature tiny bright LEDs on a flexible wire, allowing you to easily shape and position them around furniture, windows, or outdoor areas. With various color options and modes, including steady and twinkling settings, they can be customized to fit any occasion or decor style. Ideal for holiday decorations, parties, or everyday ambiance, these lights are durable and safe to use both indoors and outdoors. The long-lasting LEDs ensure your space stays illuminated for hours with minimal power consumption. Easy to install and battery-operated LED fairy lights bring a warm, festive glow wherever they are used.
Juicer machine. The commercial juicer machine is a powerful and efficient appliance designed for high-volume juice production. With a robust motor and heavy-duty stainless steel construction, it handles large quantities of fruits and vegetables with ease. The wide feed chute accommodates whole fruits, reducing prep time and increasing efficiency. Its commercial-grade components ensure durability and long-term performance, while the high-speed juicing mechanism extracts maximum juice and nutrients. Easy to operate and clean, this juicer features removable parts that are dishwasher safe. Ideal for restaurants, juice bars, and catering services, it delivers consistent high-quality juice every time, making it an essential tool for any busy kitchen.
Misto oil sprayer. The Misto oil sprayer is a versatile kitchen tool designed for health-conscious cooking. This refillable spray bottle allows you to evenly distribute oil, vinegar, or lemon juice, reducing the need for excess fats in your meals. Its compact design and easy-to-use pump mechanism make it perfect for grilling, baking, or sautéing. Made from BPA-free materials, the Misto ensures that your ingredients remain pure and uncontaminated. With its sleek, modern appearance, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Ideal for those who value precision and control in their cooking, the Misto is both eco-friendly and efficient.
Yogurt Maker. The ultimate probiotic yogurt maker is your go-to appliance for crafting healthy homemade yogurt. Designed for ease of use, it allows you to prepare probiotic-rich yogurt with just a few simple steps. The device features precise temperature control to ensure optimal fermentation, preserving the live cultures for maximum health benefits. Its spacious container can hold up to a quart of yogurt, perfect for families or meal prepping. With an energy-efficient design and automatic shut-off feature, it's safe and convenient for daily use. The sleek, compact design fits easily on your countertop, making it an essential tool for anyone committed to a healthy lifestyle.
Magnetic Window Cleaner. The magnetic window cleaner is a revolutionary tool for effortlessly cleaning both sides of your windows at once. Designed with powerful internal magnets, this cleaner grips securely to both sides of the glass, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. It features durable cleaning pads that scrub away dirt, grime, and streaks, leaving your windows sparkling clean. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the safety cord prevents accidental drops. Ideal for multi-story homes and large glass surfaces, this cleaner saves time and effort, making window cleaning a breeze. Its compact design allows for easy storage, making it a must-have tool for maintaining crystal-clear windows.
Add a Sifter machine, the Norpro 3-cup stainless steel rotary hand crank flour. Sifter is a must-have for any baker. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it features a rotary hand crank mechanism that effortlessly sifts flour, sugar, or cocoa powder, ensuring a light and even consistency. With a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for both small and large baking projects. The fine mesh screen ensures that your dry ingredients are free of lumps, resulting in smoother doughs and batters. Its comfortable handle provides a secure grip, making sifting easy and efficient. Compact and easy to clean, this sifter is a reliable tool for achieving professional quality baking results at home.